Notice we have a full screen app here, and then we have our freeform app over here.
Okay.
So that's an entire separate desktop with all the freeform apps now.
That's nice.
It's interesting.
It is.
But I added some extra gestures so we can come back home, click and hold that, and we have our navigation back.
That's so cool.
Had to replace it all. Google sucks at it. Yep. I mean,
Better to operate with its original
they paid
virtual buttons.
to work really hard to do their best.
And they did their best.
No camera on board.
Yes.
I know. I'm working with Flutter for like everyday job, so I know what best effort from Google means. My favorite thing is when they break Android and fix iOS. Like you own the system, like how about you and not break it?
Copy that. No.
How about you don't do that?
Have your own digital ones.
Yes.
It will eventually, like you're trying. It gets closer.
I used to do that before. I got like a web development company, and then I got a job